Hello children, today we are going to see about large numbers. So lesson 1 for you. Okay, already you learned about how to read and write the numbers from 1 to 9999. It is 4-digit number. Up to that you know. Right. Now I am going to tell you after that 4 number what is that 5-digit number. The 5-digit number only I am going to explain you. Okay. 5-digit number and then arrange the digits of your numerical values in a place value chart and then comparing the numbers, right? Comparing the numbers, then ascending order how to write and descending order how to write, and reading and writing the numerals, Roman numerals also I am going to tell you. Okay children. Now 5 and 6-digit number. It is what? 1 more than 9 is what? 1 more than 9. It is 9 plus 1 is what? It is 10. 1 more than 99. So what? 99 plus 1 is again. It is 100. So 999 plus 1. What is that? 999 plus 1 is again 1000. So 9999. Okay, 9999 plus 1. What is this? That is 5-digit number which is 10,000. Right? So what is this? 9999 plus 1 you are adding. So you are getting 10,000. Okay. So yes, adding 1 to the largest 4-digit number, you are getting the smallest 5-digit number. That you know already. Okay. So 9999 plus 1 is equal to, it is 10,000. Okay. Do you know the place value of 5-digit numbers? So what is the case here? It is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That is 5-digit number it is. Okay, so now I will tell you one number. See, 37563. 37563. How can I split the number? 3 ones, 6 tens, 5 hundreds, 7 thousands, and 3 10,000 it is. Okay, 5-digit number now I have done. Now come to 6-digit number. So what about 6-digit number? Smallest, largest 5-digit number, if you add with the 1, you will be getting smallest 6-digit number. See again, 99,999 plus 1 gives what? 1 lakh. 1 lakh will be having 5 zeros. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 it is. Right? So that is what? 99999. 5-digit number, you are adding with 1, you will be getting 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh you are getting. Okay. Now that place values also now I am going to tell you the place values. So how it will be like? See, one number I am taking 4325573. Okay. So this is, how can you write this one here like this? So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, that is lakhs here. So this is 3 here, this is 3 here, this is 3, this is 7, here it is 500s, 2000, 3 10,000 and 4 lakhs. Okay. So 6-digit number will be having the lakhs also, it is adding here. Now place value of numbers. Numbers with write 5 or more digits are divided into periods. What is meant by the periods? The first 3 digit form one period. The next 2 digit, 4th and 5th place, again that is a thousands period. Ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. First of all, you have to come here. Ones, tens, hundreds, that is a ones period. Okay, so thousands, 10,000, that is thousands period. And then lakhs, 10 lakhs, that is lakhs period. So you have to put the commas inside the numbers. Right, the ones, tens, hundreds, put comma. Then thousands, 10,000, put comma. Then lakhs, 10 lakhs, This way. This way you have to read the numbers also. Only putting the commas is not a big deal here. According to the commas only you are going to read the numbers. Okay. So what I told here, it is a Indian place value system here. Okay, one more it is there in international place value system. Is a chart is there, that I will tell you later. First of all you have to know that in the Arabic system, that is the Indian place value system which will be having dealing with the lakhs. Okay, international place value system will be they will be talking about millions. They don't know about the lakhs, right? Now childrens, we can learn, we can read the 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers through periods. Periods already I told you. So what is that? It's a ones period you have, thousands period you have, and lakhs period you have in the Indian value system. Here it is, I have written some of the numbers here. So you have to read the numbers with me. Okay. So first of all, from here, from the rightmost you have to come ones, tens, hundreds, put comma here. Okay, so how can you read this? It's 10,001. It is 5-digit number. How can you read ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000? So 10,001. So this one again, here I put the comma, is a period this is. So 10,095. This is 10,295. Right? Then 6-digit number. 6-digit number also same thing. You are going to follow the periods. Here it is this is first 3 numbers and then 2-digit 2 like that you have to go. Okay, so 1 lakh, this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh it will be going. 5-digit number I told you already, the place value system it is. So 1 lakh and 1, and this is again you check. So 3,40,100, 3,40,100, and what about this case? So 1,20,435, right? So this way you have to read the numbers. So it is easy, right? It's a bit easy. Now writing the large numbers in standard form. What is meant by the standard form? In sense you have to write. They have given the number, the statement they will be giving in words, they will be giving that you have to write in the numerical form. It is numbering form, you have to write it. Okay guys, now listen. They will give in this words. They will give in the words. So I will write one best example I will write. So 1 lakh 46,000. 1 lakh 46,285. 285. So this is the way they have given in the words, right? They have given in the words. You have to convert this word into standard form or in figures. Whatever it is, same. Standard form or in figures it will be. You can write the statement to in figures I want. Okay guys, now listen. Here, so here it is what? I know this one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Up to 6 digit we have learnt already. Here what happened? 1 lakh, 46,000, here 46, 200, 285. So here 146285 is a standard form. You understand guys? So this is 1,46,285. You can represent this one as a figures, as in figures. Okay. Again the same thing, 7 lakhs. In the statement it will be 7 lakh 20,321 in standard form. You have to write in standard form. How can you write 720,321? So this way you have to represent the numbers after reading the statement. In words they will give, you have to write in the figures. Okay. So I think you know better now. Okay, in this 5-digit number and the 6 digits and all, you know better now. Next thing is, now listen guys. After that what I am going to tell you is, smallest 5-digit number and what is the largest 5-digit number? Okay, smallest 5-digit number is what? 1 0 0 0 0 0, right? This is 1 lakh. It is 5-digit number. It will be like, so sorry, 1 0 0 0, right? It will be not 1 lakh. This is 10,000. I'm sorry, here it is 10,000. It is, so 1 0 0 0. It is smallest 5-digit number. And what about smallest 6-digit number? Again, this is, it is like 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the 6-digit number, smallest 6-digit number. And what about this one? Largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number is 99999. So 99,999 will be the largest 5-digit number. And what about largest 6-digit number here? It will be like the same, 999. So how can you read this number in sense? It will be like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs it will be. So 9,99,999. So that is the largest 6-digit number. Okay, that you can write in the standard form. Standard form, this way, right? It is, this is standard form, and you can write in the words also. How can you write this number? It is a 1 lakh you can write. And what about this case here? It is, so this is 10,000 you can write. This is 10,000 and this is 1 lakh. And what about this one? 99,999, and this is what? This is 9,99,999. This way you can do it. Okay, now you tell me what the two numbers they will give. Okay, if two numbers if I give, in between how many numbers? In between what are the numbers are there? How can you do it? Here 54,201, 54,215 is there. In between how many numbers? I mean, in sense, what are the numbers? Are right, all the numbers. So here 54,202, 54,203, 54,204, 54,205. So it's going on up to 54,214. Okay, 54,201 to 54,215. If they ask in between how many numbers are there, it will be in between what are the numbers are there. In sense, you can write like this: 54,202, 54,203. This way you can do it. So again, one more, 1,21,430. It's there, first number, starting number. The ending number should be 1,21,440. So how can you write it? 1,21,431, 1,21,432, 1,21,433. So going on, the last number will be 1,21,439. Okay, this way you can write all the numbers between those two numbers. Okay. So next one is by using some of the digits. See now, 2, 9, 3, 6, 2, 9, 3, 6, 5 and 7. It is there. You have to write at least 5-digit numbers. At least 5-digit numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit it will be there. So form at least 5 6-digit numbers. Sorry, 6-digit number I have to frame now. So you can write together very easily. You can write. So 2, 9, 3, 6, 5, 7. Again 9, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. Again 3, 6, 5, 7, 2, 9. Again 6, 5, 7, 2, 9, 3. Again this is 5, 7, 2, 9, 3, 3, 6. So this way I can write by mixturing. You just rearrange the numbers. You can write the 6-digit number like 5 numbers I have represented here. Okay. The next thing is, next topic I am going here. It is place value and phase value. Okay. What is meant by place value? Okay, what is that? Place value of a digit is a number, is a value which holds to be at the place in the number. That is the place value. A number is formed by grouping the digits together. Number which will be is forming by the grouping the digits together. Each digit has a fixed position called its place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, you know that, right? Each digit has a value depending on its place called the place value, right? Face value means what? Face value of a digit for any place in the given number is the value of the digit itself. How can you write the place value of a digit? It is product of face value and the value of the place. If you multiply both, you will be getting the place value of the number. Now I will tell you. Now guys, here the place value, how to write the place value and the face value of the given number. Now you see the board here, what they are telling, how find the place value and the face value of this number. Okay, so you have to write each and every digit, you have to represent it on the place value chart. So I have represented, you see, you know the period, right? Ones, thousands and the lakhs. Here it is place is what? In this ones it will be ones, tens, hundred in the ones column. In the thousands will be the thousands and tens 10,000, and lakhs will be lakhs and 10 lakhs. So here it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh it will be. 10 lakhs is not there here. Okay, 5 to 6 digit number here. So in the place of L I have taken, it is like 2, 4, 6, 7, 3, 9. Okay, so here place value, how can I write in sense? 2 into 1 lakh. 2 into 1 lakh is what? 2 lakh. 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. The place value of 4. 4 is what? 4 into 10,000. It is 40,000. Place value of 6 is 6 into 1000 is equal to 6,000. The place value of 7 is 7 is will be 100. So 7 into 100 is equal to 700. Place value of 3 is 3 into 10 is equal to 30, and last one is the ones place. The place value of 9 is equal to 9 into 1 is equal to 9. Now over, place value is over. Now what about face value? Face value is a number itself it is. I already told you the face value of a digit for any place in the given number is the value of the digit itself, I told you. So what is that? Place value of 2 is 2 only. The place value of 4 is 4. The place value of 6 is 6. The place value of 7 is 7. The place value of 3 is 3. The place value of 9 is 9 only. Okay, no confusion in this, right? Place value and face value we have seen now.